Winter terrain calls for machines that are rugged, versatile, and capable in harsh weather. In this video, we shall be counting down the top 15 mini snow vehicles that dominate winter terrain. Whether you are talking about mini snowmobiles, track utility snow vehicles, or even personal snow vehicles, these machines are small yet pack tremendous traction and agility. Whether you are playfully driving on snowy back roads or at work in your snowy weather, these mini snow vehicles go to show that bigger machines are made in bigger packages. Number 1. Venturi Antarctica. Venturi Antarctica is the world's first zero-emission electric vehicle intended for polar expeditions. It is designed to perform well even in harsh environments and is equipped with two 60-kilowatt powerful motors and a 52.6 kilowatt-hour battery that enables the vehicle to function well even below minus 50 degrees Celsius. It has an operational speed of 25 kilometers per hour and ranges about 50 kilometers. The range is further extended to 200 kilometers when a second battery is installed. The vehicle is charged through renewable wind and solar power available at the research stations. It can carry 6 people and scientific equipment because of its fold-down benches. It is designed to perform well even at the low temperatures of Antarctica because of its improved cooling and ventilation systems and track sprocket design. Number 2. John Deere 44-inch snowblower. The John Deere 44-inch snowblower is a robust and reliable attachment that allows for effortless snow removal even in intense winter snowfall. The two-stage system involves a low-speed auger that draws snow to a high-speed rotor for smooth discharge and long-distance throwing capabilities, which reach 50 feet. The system is durable, with the chute and deflector made of rust-resistant high-density polyethylene and an UHMW polyethylene blower fan that works well in sub-zero temperatures. The in-seat controls make it convenient for the operator to change direction of spout rotation up to 200 degrees and also change discharge distance on demand. The gearboxes and shear bolt are made of cast iron and are resistant to ice and debris abrasion. Number 3. Snowdog Compact. The Snowdog Compact is a highly portable and agile tracked utility machine that is specifically designed to work effectively on snow, ice, and off-road conditions. With a power range of 7 horsepower to 13.5 horsepower from reliable motor brands like Briggs & Stratton, it is efficient as a work tool or a recreational device. The compactness, measuring approximately 50 by 24 by 30 inches, facilitates effortless transit as it easily fits into most SUVs or pickup trucks without requiring a trailer. The unit is specifically designed to tow sleds, ice fish houses, hunting equipment, or kids' sleds, performing effectively even on deep snow, ice, or forested routes. Easy-to-use handlebars make it a great beginner's product, and an adjustable speed limit of 20 miles per hour, combined with a kill switch, boost safety features. Number 4. Arctic Cat My25. The Arctic Cat My25 lineup marks a major leap in snowmobile performance and technology. At its core is an all-new 858 C-Tech 2 engine, an internally developed 858 cubic centimeter two-stroke that replaces the 800 class motor, with approximately 177 horsepower, an estimated 11% increase in power and torque. This engine powers several ZR, Riot, and M Alpha 1 models. Arctic Cat expands its lightweight catalyst platform to both the new 858 and the proven 600 C-Tech 2 engines. The riding experience was enhanced by outstanding upgrades, including the G8 digital display powered by Garmin, which offers GPS mapping and group ride features. Multiple suspension options are available, including IFP shocks, AC5S S-No Pro packages, and FOXIQS shocks with ATAC electronic adjustment for fine-tuned ride control. Number 5. Envo MoonBike. The Envo MoonBike is recognized as the world's lightest 100% electric snow bikes, which are now universally driven by Envo Drive Systems. Its intended use case includes agile snow biking. Its motor has an overall power of 3 kilowatt with an incredible torque of 170 Nm, capable of speeds up to 42 km/h or 26 miles per hour. Its batteries have a capacity of 5 kWh with ranges of either 10 to 20 miles or 3 hours ride time, while an additional dual swappable battery pack supplies an overall ride time of 40 miles or 3 hours with dual batteries. Weighing only 87 kg or 192 pounds, this snowbike outweighs regular snowmobiles. Its features include operable in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius, with heated battery box, ideal for low-temperature snowbiking. Its dimensions fit through a regular door, designed to operate on packed snow, groomed trails, and powder snow with depths of 12 inches. Price: $14,344. Number 6. Envo Flex Snowbike. The Envo Flex Snowbike is a smart, modular electric snowbike for efficient winter mobility. The snowbike is powered by a geared hub, BLDC integrated motor, 1000 watt continuous with peak options up to 1500 watts and delivering a torque of 120 Newton meters while providing confident traction in the snow. Top assist is limited at 20 kilometers per hour with 5 pedal assist levels available and featuring a thumb throttle. Rideability includes grades of up to 25%. Power comes from the bottom via a removable 48-volt, 17.5 ampere-hour, 840 watt-hour battery, which combines to give a range of 15 to 50 km. An additional front ski, rear track system, LCD display, and water-resistant wiring complete the design. But the best part is that its modular design can be switched out into other varieties of Envo Flex models for year-round use. Weight: approximately 40 kilograms, foldable, portable. Price: $3,879. Number 7. Aktiv Grizzly. The Aktiv Grizzly is a unique and robust snowmobile designed specifically for harsh winter conditions and utilitarian purposes. Its most distinctive part of the track system includes 2 wide tracks at the back, usually measuring 38 centimeters or 15 inches wide each, and a leading ski at the front, ensuring an enormous surface area of close to a square meter that can't sink into deep snow. The Grizzly series has been outfitted with a series of reliable engines during its production run, ranging from the Fuji fan-cooled engine of 440 cubic centimeters, the Rotax engine of 503 cubic centimeters, and generating about 38 horsepower, to the Suzuki Spirit engines, though the latter usage was brief. The series has been designed for utilitarian purposes and came with a reverse gear and ample space for freight and trailer couplings, making it very suitable for the transport of goods and normal operation in the snow-covered terrain. Number 8. Bombardier BR100. Bombardier BR100 is a smaller utility vehicle with a dual track that is designed to perform effectively in off-road conditions, particularly in deep snow. The Bombardier BR100 is driven by a 1.6-litre inline 4-cylinder Ford industrial engine with a potential output of about 57 horsepower. In addition to this, a 4-speed manual transmission system with a controlled differential is used to give the Bombardier BR100 superior control in challenging environments. Bombardier BR100 has a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Its advanced steep climbing ability enables it to move up 80% vertically and 60% horizontally in gradients. Bombardier BR100 has significantly lower ground pressure of about 0.54 to 0.70 psi, which enables the vehicle to float effortlessly in soft snow surfaces. Bombardier BR100 weighs about 900 kilograms and is approximately 2.7 by 1.8 meters in size. Number 9. Tucker Snow Kitten. As one of the most classic models among the breed, the Tucker Snow Kitten sported the innovative 4-track design perfect for navigating the deep snow. This 4-track design ensured maximum flotation, traction, and stability on the winter surface. This powerhouse was fueled by gasoline or diesel even in those years. Of course, the Snow Kitten was built with the focus being on torque, power, and reliability rather than speed. One great quality found on the Tucker Snow Kitten was the fact that the ground pressure was at least partially supported by the wide tracks in place. This allowed the machine to move effortlessly on the freshly fallen deep snow, something that could never have been possible with vehicles that had wheels. Mostly constructed using only the highest quality metal components, the Tucker Snow Kitten was very reliable. Number 10. Bombardier J5 Mini. The Bombardier J5 Mini is a compact but tough tracked vehicle designed for forestry, logging, and industrial applications. It was introduced in 1954 and produced until 1972. During this time, over 4,270 units were built. It was commonly powered by Chrysler flathead 6-cylinder engines, matched to a manual transmission offering 3 forward gears and 1 reverse, requiring skilled operation. Its all-rubber track system, featuring 3 wheels per side and a sprocket, provided excellent traction, flotation, and flexible ground contact on snow, mud, and uneven terrain. Steering was controlled by lever-operated axle bands that also served as brakes. Highly versatile, the J5 Mini supported winches, trailers, and snowplow configurations like the SW model. Compact and waterproof up to the mudguards, it often came with an enclosed cabin and quickly achieved a reputation for durability, safety, and multi-purpose performance. Number 11. Yanmar AC21 Crawler. The Yanmar AC21 Crawler features a compact and robust design that makes it ideal for challenging agricultural and all-terrain applications. It has a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder liquid-cooled Yanmar 3TNE74 diesel engine that delivers 20 to 20.5 horsepower. The machine has a manual transmission that ensures precise control during challenging terrain operation. The Yanmar AC21 Crawler has a wide rubber track that measures 33 centimeters. The track provides great traction and stability, especially in wet or muddy soil, where it outperforms wheels. The machine weighs around 900 kilograms, which ensures that it has excellent ground contact with reduced slippage. It has a 5.3-gallon fuel tank and electric start. The machine has steel that is of the highest quality to ensure that the product has durability. The Yanmar AC21 Crawler machine has the ability to support other attachments such as rotavators and flail mowers. Number 12. Tinger Track 2. The Tinger Track 2 is a very capable all-terrain amphibious vehicle designed to excel even in extreme environments on land and water. It is moved by a Sherry SQR 812 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine with 57 horsepower and a CVT transmission system for smoother acceleration and speed control. With a top land speed of 26 miles per hour, this vehicle strikes an excellent performance and handling balance. Its massive 500mm tracks and low ground pressure of 0.04 kg per centimeter square enable effortless sailing through snow, marshes, and soft ground. Also made from durable HDPE plastic with a sturdy design and construction, the Track 2 can haul a maximum load of 500 kilograms and tow as much as 800 kilograms. Hydraulic brakes combined with a high 330mm ground clearance and comfortable handlebar control make this vehicle very safe and easy to control on land and water. This vehicle is very safe and functional at temperatures ranging between 30 degrees Celsius and minus 30 degrees Celsius. Number 13. Husqvarna P525D. The Husqvarna P525D is a high-performance, commercial-grade diesel front mower designed for heavy-duty usage. The machine is powered by a trusted Kubota D 1105 3-cylinder diesel engine, delivering a constant 25 horsepower of power. This commercial-grade hydrostatic AWD mower offers great traction and smooth pedaling action, accompanied by speeds of up to 18 km per hour. The lawnmower boasts the ability to handle a cutting deck of either 132 centimeters or 155 centimeters combi decks, coupled with adjustable heights ranging between 25 and 127 millimeters. The machine enjoys highly agile steering that enables it to make a compact, uncuttable radius of an astonishing 58 centimeters, making it highly maneuverable in tight spaces. The front-mounted cutting deck offers excellent access and visibility over the area being cut, and the 4-wheel drive system enables the machine to handle slopes and damp surface conditions effectively. Number 14. Argo Frontier Scout XTV. The 2025 Argo Frontier Scout XTV is a multi-purpose, all-water amphibious vehicle designed to handle tough off-road and water environments. Equipped with a VX700 V-twin fan-cooled EFI engine, it provides strong power even when off-roading. The Argo Classic transmission, equipped with Argo progressive steering, enables a smooth, responsive, and highly agile ride, featuring zero turn capability when off-road. The unit is amphibious, allowing it to float at a speed of 3 miles per hour through water, as well as move at 16 to 22 miles per hour when on land, depending on the model purchased. The unit also has different carrying or seating capacities depending on its 6x6 or 8x8 models, allowing 4 or 2 persons when off-road and 2 or 4 persons when water ambling, along with a tow capacity of 1,200 pounds when off-roading. Various hunting applications include true timber prairie camo, steel front rail, 2,500 watt winch, and brush guard. Number 15. Yamaha 2025 Snowscoot ES. This is a compact and reliable snowmobile engineered for agility and safety during the winter season. The Yamaha 2025 Snowscoot ES snowmobile is driven by a fan-cooled 192 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke engine that has a BS carburetor and an electronic governor and starts electrically. The independent double wishbone front-end suspension provides support with a travel distance of 4.5 inches, and the slide rail rear suspension has a travel distance of 8.5 inches, ensuring stable performance on any terrain surface. The wide ski position of 30.5 inches offers adequate support and grip during the ride, and the hydraulic disc brakes and heated hand grips provide a smooth experience for the driver and passenger. The safety of the Yamaha 2025 Snowscoot ES has been given prime importance, and the throttle override system, TORS, and the tamper-proof electronic governor act as an additional shield for the riders. Price: $5,499. This is the end of our top 15 mini snow vehicles that dominate winter terrain video. Whether you're looking for adventure or performance, the perfect vehicle is waiting for you. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, and let us know your preference by commenting below. Stay warm and have a great day, and we'll catch you all in the next video.